Sometimes we do things that have a bad effect on our health without knowing what they do. This seemingly innocent habit slowly kills us. Hello viewers, and welcome back to our channel. What are these innocent habits that could kill you? To help you stay on top of your health goals, in this video, Silva Guide will be educating you on innocent habits that could kill you. Number 1. Taking too much salt. We can't get tired of talking about this. Taking too much salt is equivalent to poisoning your cells, and as the popular saying goes, too much of everything is bad. Salt is no exception to this rule, as too much of it can pose harm to your health. It might interest you to know that the fluid concentration in the human body exists in a delicate balance. For the body to function properly, the concentration of salt, or sodium, and water must exist in equilibrium. Too much water can make the cells swell up, and when there's too much salt, the cells shrink. More so, taking too much salt affects your heart and kidney in many negative ways, so next time you're making your sauce, cut down on the salt. Number 2. Eating at your desk. You probably think this harmless habit does not affect your health, right? Trust me, your work desk is not the ideal place for dining. According to research, it has been found that the work desk contains 400 times more bacteria than the average toilet seat. Well, that's not all. Eating at your work desk can lengthen the time you're not physically active. This, in the long run, leads to obesity. Another research found that overweight people die 1 year sooner than expected. Number 3. Drinking water too fast. Just like taking too much salt could potentially kill you, drinking water too fast can intoxicate you. For example, when you drink so much water in a short amount of time that your kidney can't process, it could swell the brain and lungs. That's why health experts advise against forcing yourself to drink water when you're not thirsty. Number 4. Use cash machines. Do you wash your hands after using the cash machine? The seeming innocent habit of using the cash machine exposes you to a lot of germs. In fact, they're as dirty as your public toilet. According to a research done using swabs collected from ATM keypads and a public toilet, it was found that both contain the same number of germs that could cause you sickness or, even worse, kill you. In order to protect your health, always wash your hands with antibacterial hand gel after using the cash machine. Number 5. Cleaning your teeth. Cleaning your teeth with a toothpick is another innocent habit that could kill you. Sadly, a lot of people are ignorant about this. Wait, are you wondering how cleaning your teeth can harm you? Let me tell you how. When you remove the remnants of food from your teeth with toothpicks, the sharp edges cause abrasion and harms your teeth. And if you're unlucky and some part gets stuck in between your teeth, you will be in bigger trouble. Apart from corroding your teeth, this habit could potentially expose your teeth to gum diseases and other dental problems. Do you know of any other innocent habits that could lead to an early grave? Let us know in the comments section. We'd be glad to hear from you. And if you enjoyed the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Silva Guide for more interesting videos.